Is Bitcoin gonna hit 100K before Christmas, yes or no? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys, wherever you are on this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this video, welcome to the Bitcoin family channel. For the newcomers, my name is Didi. In today's video, I'll make a short video guys. I'm gonna talk a little bit about some news, but really short. Then I will dive directly in the charts to answer that question, will we reach 100K before Christmas, yes or no? And maybe end with an inspirational quote. I didn't prepare this video at all. I just need to make a very quick one as I don't have too much time today because it's a very big day for Didi Bam Bam. Now let's quickly jump into that news first guys. Bam! The big news for today is that there is no news. The market is just cooling off guys. Bitcoin is beautifully doing what I told you guys in the last couple of videos. It's moving in between this beautiful pattern. We will break out towards like the second week before Christmas and then bam, push it all the way up into the high levels above 100K maybe. But let's see, I'm going to talk about this in the charts section later guys. Other news for today is that yes, today is going to be the second wave of a massive marketing push for Didi Bam Bam. I want this project to succeed as I want to leave something behind. If I ever decide to stop with YouTube or social media influencing or whatever it is, I want to leave something behind to the community that has value. And the only thing at the moment that has real hardcore value that we really need in this community is education. We are missing a shitload of education in this community for the beginners. So I curated the Didi Bam Bam platform in a very playful, cartoonish way, so it can even be cool for little kids to start the first lessons about Bitcoin guys. That is why I created it. I just want to leave something behind after supporting this industry now since 2013 guys. That's 11 years of talking about Bitcoin with family members, talking about Bitcoin with friends, talking about Bitcoin on stages, presenting, traveling all over the world, investing in startups, YouTube videos for the last 6 years, almost daily. After I stopped with all of this, I'm not saying I'm gonna stop, but if I stop with that, I realized I want to leave something more valuable behind. I want to leave something behind, the platform where people can search for a subject and they can really educate themselves about that subject within an app on the telephone. That app is already up and running. It's already 200 VIP members that have access to all the 180 courses. New courses are being added weekly, so also that they get free access to. So that's the core reason why I started Didi Bam Bam, just to create an educational platform that we can completely decentralize through turning it into a DAO, decentralized autonomous organization, where the community starts to take over this project and makes it a long-lasting educational platform from beginners, even babies, through baby books, to experienced traders. All of those people will be welcomed in the Didi Bam Bam project guys. So if you want to know more, go to didibambam.me, but probably today your feed will show some influencers also talking about Didi Bam Bam. Of course there is a token, go check that token out. We are around 40 cents. The first wave of marketing pushed us from 30 cents to 65 cents. Now the second wave of marketing, the big wave, the tsunami wave is happening today, will push Didi Bam Bam probably towards maybe even $1. Who says? If it will touch $1, I will be a very happy man jumping into this pool, because yes, I am not enriching myself. I don't hodl any of these tokens. Only the team hodls some tokens and they are all locked up, so they can't use those tokens, and those tokens can only be used for marketing and all that kind of stuff that you can see in the tokenomics. But I don't hodl the tokens guys. I only provided liquidity. That's the only tokens I hold because I provided $75,000 worth of liquidity in Ethereum and Bam Bam tokens. That is the only tokens I hold, and you can see that wallet online that's not being emptied, that will stay in there till the project ends guys, and hopefully it never ends so that my money will be stuck forever guys. Now that was the news for today. Go check Didi Bam Bam today, because yes, it's going to be exciting days guys. Now let's quickly jump into the charts to show you exactly what is happening to Bitcoin, as Bitcoin is about to do something that people really don't expect, and I want to show you what I think that I see on the charts today. Bam! Yes guys, back behind the laptop, quickly jumping into the charts because I want to show you what is happening to Bitcoin. The first chart that I'm sharing with you is a weekly chart, guys. This is a weekly chart. I told you higher high, this dotted line. You can see we have two red weekly candles. This one is closing in 4 days, so that's still movements possible in the next 4 days, guys. Large wicks to the bottoms, large wicks, so could be a very bullish signal to propel a little bit higher, maybe some sideways movement first, guys. In the short term, we can see that we exactly are doing what I said to you guys. Yes, I drew these again with my sloppy hands. People always say to me, Didi, you have sloppy hands, because I'm not drawing like perfectly with all the lines and the targets, because I just don't like that, because we never know the perfect target. So the Fibonacci tool is good for that, but you know, sloppy hands, this green line, look how perfectly those sloppy hands work. So we are hitting this top here again, 79k. We could fall back again to 95k, 97k, 95k, maybe then again to 96k breakout, and bam, that is the move that I expect in the short term. Monthly chart does not change. My long-term outlook is very bullish. This is my monthly outlook. I'm just going to draw a little bit so you understand how I believe that we're going to move on the monthly outlook. Look, this could even go, if we look into Christmas, like if we look into Christmas, we are now 98k. We could even, just before Christmas, like pop around 111, maybe fall back to that orange line, 83k levels, you know, go sideways, chopping movement a little bit. But then we are in 2025 again. I expect September 2025 to go to that bull market top somewhere there, guys. And then we come back in November 2025, we go up again, and then we come down, and then we have a bear market in 2026, all the way, not to that level, 26k, guys. I don't think we will go that low at that. I think we will go to, bam, there. This is the new bear market level, somewhere 60k. That is what I expect. And if you then zoom out, look, then it also looks like a normal chart again. Look, it looks like we went up over here, just checking how it looks then. Look, then it looks beautiful up, down, beautiful up, down, 60k, not till here, sorry for that. We need to go a little bit like this, till this level. Amazing. And then we continue up to the next halving. That's how we zoom out again. We zoom even further out, then we just continue. Then from that bottom area over there, like something like this, we climb up towards the halving again, you know, sideways, small dip after the halving, then again, whoop, a new top, then again, whoop, new bear market, something like that. I'm just drawing something now, guys. It could be all higher, but just to show you what I think, how Bitcoin moves in the long term. So zoom out, guys, zoom out. Now, important today also is this one here, Didi Bam Bam. You need to take a look today, Didi Bam Bam. There's a new platform in town. I want to share this platform with you guys. The platform's name is Dior. Like do your own research, Dior. This is the platform name. I'm gonna make my face a little bit smaller. There's an amazing platform, guys. You can see over here the Didi Bam Bam token. You can trade it over there. You can buy, you can sell. You can see all the information about the Didi Bam Bam token. You can also hide that information if you don't want to see that. You can, you know, put your buy orders in over here. You can see 25, 50%, 75% of your capital that you want to swap or buy at that moment. You can check the charts on different time levels, of course. The cool part is you can lock the chart. So if you lock the chart, then you can go like interactive with the chart. Then you can start to do all the kinds of stuff that you normally would like to do just by locking the chart. And then of course, yes, you can draw all kinds of cool stuff like this, whatever it is. Beautiful program. You can see all the buy and sell orders here. You can see the contracts beautiful over there, the white paper, the website, the Twitter account, Telegram. Everything that you need, you can check over here, guys. It's amazing. Checking now, this is the whole list. 2 yellow dots, 2 concerns they call it. Why? Because yeah, sell and buy tax. Of course, they need to keep the project alive. That's why there is sell and buy tax, guys. This is the chart, but click on that one. Then you can see all of the bubbles, all of the wallet holders, all the people that are holding Bitcoin. These yellow ones, these are the team wallets. You can see they are completely full still, but all these other bubbles, you can move them around, and that is how you can see how many people are in this industry already or hodling Didi Bam Bam. I think it's around 900 people at the moment. And of course, here is a Twitter button. That was I was searching. That was the one I was searching. You can see, you know, you have the link to the Telegram group. You can click on that link. You can see the latest tweets, which are important. It's an amazing platform. They are attacking DEX tools, CoinMarketCap, and all those. You can even do referrals and everything. You can see which influencers are already doing referrals. So it's beautiful to see a shitload of tokens. Go there and try it out. The link is down below this video, guys. Now that we're all the charts today, guys, short but powerful. I hope you enjoyed it. Zoom out, look at the bigger picture. Short-term volatility makes it possible for traders to trade, but for investors, it makes it possible to buy the dips and hold a little bit more Bitcoin in your asset portfolio, and then just grow your capital to the double of it in the next 12 months. Something like that. I hope you really enjoy the charts, guys. Yes, short term, beautiful that volatility. Long term, my targets are already known. You know, I told you already like a year ago, yes, 120 to 160 is my ultimate target for Bitcoin. At that time, you were trading around 18K, 16K-ish. I thought 120 to 160, that's my bull market top somewhere in 2025, September-ish. That is still my target. Yes, I'm also sometimes more bullish as I see the charts of Plan B, I see the charts of any other influencers, famous people telling us that Bitcoin could go to $1 million, even $10 million in the next 10, 15 years. I all believe that. But my short-term target for the next 12 months of bull market is between 120 and 160K. If we reach that, just imagine we reach 160,000 US dollar. The Bitcoins we bought at the bottom around 16K went times 10. Times 10 in 2 years time, guys. That's the best return investment that you can get. That's 1000% return of investment in 2 years time, 24 months. If you didn't follow my advice by buying at 16K, maybe you followed my advice at buying at 25K, that's still a shitload of profit, guys. So zoom out, look at the bigger picture. We are just getting started. This bull market is not over by far. We can go above 100K, come back to 80K, and 2025 go into that retarded high blow off top, maybe above 160K, maybe even to 300K, we don't know. My targets are known now. I will take profit over there, guys. And now you also know what I think about Christmas. Now, let's jump into the last part of the video. The last part of the video, guys, is the inspirational part. The inspirational part for today is very short and has to do also, again, with Didi Bam Bam. Because all our gold members will be invited into meetups yearly, like a couple of meetups. The first meetup is going to take place in January 2025 here in the beautiful Phuket. What will gold members get at that moment? They will get mindset trading, meditation training, Bitcoin trading. We are going to have parties, dinners, yacht trips, all kinds of fun, all kinds of like individual development things that you really develop yourself. Maybe you're still doubting about taking a certain step in life, whatever it is. We will do all kinds of really cool stuff during those 4 or 5 days that will help you to understand the Bitcoin standard lifestyle, the mentality, the mindset that we as a family had, but that also other speakers have that will be there as well. A few big people will come and do their talk as well and help you to understand what is Bitcoin and help you to understand how do I manifest, etc., guys. So if you want to become part of that epic event in January, you need to be a VIP Gold. How do you become a VIP Gold? You just go to the website didibambam.me and order VIP Gold. That's the only place where you can buy it. You can't go directly into a Telegram chat with any scammers, just only there, guys. And then I think that there's also leading into my quote, because the quote for me is, try to surround you with those people that you look up to. Don't surround yourself with those people that you don't look up to, because they will only draw you back, pull you back into the same system that's keeping you stuck. If you don't want to move forward, do that. Surround you with all those negative people, with all those people, those naysayers. If you want to move forward, start to surround yourself with same minded people, people that try to think different about life, that live a different life, that do different kinds of business, that don't run their hands with 24/7. Surround yourself with those people. And maybe in the beginning it feels really weird because you're not connecting, as your life is still a little bit stuckish and those people already are over there, but just try it. That is why we organize these meetups, just to meet up with all kinds of those people that were successful by changing their lifestyle, their mindset, their trading strategies, etc. So that's my tip today when it comes to the quote. Try to surround you as much as possible with those people that you really look up to, that you think of, wow, what they are doing, I would love to do as well. Now, that was everything for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment. What do you think about the news, the charts, and of course the last part? Thank you for watching. I wish you an amazing Wednesday. Tomorrow, Thursday, I will be back with a normal video again, walking and talking on the beach with the beautiful subjects and a little bit more like prepared. Thanks for watching. I wish you an amazing day and enjoy Didi Bam Bam. Bam.